Hi, do you know you have only 4 to 5 seconds to convert your visitors into the client? If you fail, then your visitor will leave and won't come again to visit your website. So, before hiring someone, to please ensure your web developer can provide you the important things, such as great visual everywhere, comfortable colors and font, brand optimization, 100% mobile-friendly website, excellent SEO optimization and ready for Google, premium security and performance optimization, fully editable, high converting forms to generate leads, and a complete user-friendly website. Please don't scratch your head. I will assist you as your demand for your website. Already, I have completed hundreds of web projects using various platforms. I am very passionate about sharing my expertise globally and help out others. So you can trust me regarding your project. Don't worry, you have a greater scope to get unlimited revisions, great support and services exclusively on Fiverr. I am eagerly waiting for a message to discuss regarding your project. Thank you.